Okay.
which does have a lot of layers.
Yep.
And then, like, it looks like this from
Okay,
the
so
back.
we're liking this. Is it dark? We can see. And then this. Yeah. So you, like I said, it's obviously going to look like that every time you style it like that.
Yes.
When you don't style it like that, it'll still be beautiful. You'll still see more of the face shaping around the front, obviously, because that's not sitting in and amongst any other hair.
Yeah.
But the ones throughout here, the laying throughout here, will kind of be a little bit lost and melted down.
Yeah.
You want that anyway. You don't want
Yes.
the layers to stand out when it's not styled, because that means that it's like really choppy and it doesn't
Yeah,
blend.
okay, yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
So it's just going to be a matter of styling it. In terms of shortness around the front, if you want it to be quite noticeable, I'm going to suggest that we do it so the hair tucks under like that when it's styled at chin length,
Sure.
and then cascades down.
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
Lengthwise, do you want to keep this beautiful length that you have going? Do you want to take some off?
Look, I'm not interested in going very short, but
I'm not interested in doing that for you.
but it's up to you. If you think that you need to get rid of some hair,
Look, I think we should, in terms of hair health.
yeah, sure.
I think we do that, because that's still going to be really long. We just help thicken up the ends a little bit by taking off what's a little bit finer.
Yeah.
Especially if we're going to cut more layers into this will go even thinner. So I definitely think we need to make some sort of a blunter line throughout the back. It will look like a U shape when it's at the back, because the hair that's at the front is going to be shorter.
Yes.
So when that sits to the back, those layers will start around your shoulders and then come down into a beautiful U shape.
Lovely. Yes.
Okay? Alright, amazing. We'll get you washed and blow dried. Let's do it.
Thank you. Yes, it looks so pretty.
That was such a pretty flip.
Yeah.
And they look so well blended in. I love it.
Yeah. So good. I'm just going to cut into the front bit a tiny little bit more.
That's fine. Go for it.
But those layers, sit back a bit.
Thank you so much. They look so good.
Looks healthy, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
So fresh.
Okay, let's cut some. Yeah. Those front bits are better. Need a little bit shorter. Look at you.
Thank you so
You
much.
feel nice and bouncy?
I love it. I love it. And I
And the
can see
length
my
is,
layers.
yeah, you can see your layers, and the length is still all there, and it looks thicker at the bottom, and it just kind of
Yes.
melts in.
Yes. No, I really wanted something like this.
Yeah.
So that it blends in properly.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
You look stunning, babe. I love it.
Thank you.